I'm gonna hook it up to some air right now. I'll put a fitting in here and let's give it a try. I'm gonna hook up my air. Wow, I'm impressed. This will work really great for getting rid of all the dust and debris in those carpeting, in that upholstery, removing pet hair, dog hair, cat hair, whatever, between the seats, under the seats. You know, I can just imagine getting in the back seat and blowing underneath the front seats there, blowing everything out and making the job more efficient, you know. Wow, I think the rag company did a really great job. It feels real comfortable. Nice little throw on the handle here, not all loose and flimsy. Very, very nice.